How to add topsoil to a lawn. Adding a layer of topsoil to inclined areas of your lawn is one way to level things out and help promote proper drainage. Topsoil can also be used to cover tree roots and repair damaged sections of the lawn. Because topsoil is the portion of the soil from which most grass draws its nutrients, lawns with poor soil often require an entire layer of topsoil to improve their overall health. This can be time-consuming, but worth the effort if you want to generate a lush, beautiful lawn. Things you will need: rake, power tiller, organic compost, topsoil, roller. Prepare your lawn by power tilling the section to which you plan to add topsoil. This will help break up the pre-existing soil and dislodge any large and medium-sized rocks. Rake through the tilled soil to break up and remove the rocks from the soil. Analyze the quality of the topsoil you're preparing to use. Buying from a reputable seller will ensure that your topsoil is ready to spread, but in some cases you may find unwanted roots. Remove these. Add a layer of organic compost to the freshly turned soil to boost the nutrients beneath the topsoil layer. Spread a layer of topsoil over the area of freshly turned soil and compost. Use 1 bag of topsoil per every 3 square feet of yard. Hoe to mix the fresh topsoil into the turned soil and compost. Smooth it out. Add a final layer of topsoil to the mixture of turned soil, compost and topsoil, but do not turn or mix it in. Just level it gently so the surface is smooth. Roll over the soil to compact it just enough so that it won't blow away in the wind or wash away in the rain. Tips warnings. Once you've added a layer of topsoil, you can seed to grow fresh grass, or add sod layers to re-establish your lawn. Don't add topsoil during windy conditions, to avoid having your freshly established layer blown away.